going to see love in the general for the sign of Leo. So watch this video if you're a Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind that this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, link in the description. I sometimes speak bad words, and I think that should be okay with the Leos, but if you're too sensitive still, click out. Bye. So yo, let's see. If you're left here, then let's see what's up for you guys in love. So let's see. Give me some messages for Leo in love, please. Ooh, guys, who are you going out with? I see a new beginning. I see fertility. If you're trying to conceive, that's gonna happen, guys. And if you're not interested to get pregnant, wear your protections, okay? And with the Ace of Wands and the Magician, I see that you have manifested. It's very difficult to speak. I don't know, the Mercury retrograde effect is still there. So I see that you have manifested a new beginning. It could be with a Gemini or an Aries, okay, Leo? Or it could be another Leo as well. So yeah, I see that you've manifested a new beginning with someone, and that's happening, okay? Maybe you left a relationship behind, or you left one chapter of your life behind, and you are all about go. So it's like you are not ready to settle for something which is bogging you down. You just want to go out and make things happen, and the universe is protecting you and giving you opportunity at that, okay? So whatever you're trying to manifest, a relationship, a career, a pregnancy, whatever it is, creativity, that's going to happen. Some of you are being very creative with the Magician card, and the Ace of Wands. I see that you might be investing in a creative endeavor, and that's going to pay back really well. All right, let's see what's coming towards Leo in love, please. Give me messages for a wand. What's up, you guys? Are you manifesting a marriage? Don't tell me. So some of you can definitely be getting into a very solid relationship with another Aries, Leo, Sag, or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I see you guys definitely manifesting a relationship, like a very solid one, because King of Cups is like a very good father, a very good husband, a very great partner, okay, boyfriend. It's one of those people who are very emotional, and emotionally balanced, okay? They are not like a pussy who's just crying over it. No. This is one of the people who have their emotions in check, and they're very emotional, very caring, very soft, very generous, but they're also very stable, okay? So it's not one of those cry babies. It's not a Cancerian, the typical Cancerian energy, but this is more of a very balanced energy, okay? I can sense that some of you are definitely manifesting a very loving relationship, kids and family and etc. That's gonna happen. If you were trying to manifest to buy a house or a vehicle, because that's what the Four of Wands, it's about the fourth house, which is house, vehicle, etc. I see that's gonna happen. So some of you might be really moving into a new house, or you might be buying a property, okay? All right, so we have Nine of Pentacles. Some of you are single right now. Of course, it makes sense that you're manifesting love. And you know, it's not one of those situations where you're single and you're sad. It's like you're single, you're doing things, you're getting things done, and you're manifesting love alongside, okay? So being single also, you're having fun at it. So that's great. And you're manifesting a relationship with either a water sign or a fire sign. Some of it could be a Gemini as well. So what is the intention of this person towards my Leo that my Leo has on their mind? What is their intention though? Five of Swords. Don't worry, let's clarify. Okay, Ten of Swords. I said, okay, so you are all lovey-dovey and seeing a future and etc. with someone, but if it's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius specifically, but could be any sign, I see that somebody thinks they've lost a chance with you. They think it came to an end with you. What's up? This person is not on the same page as you guys. Are you manifesting someone who doesn't even know what you think about them? I can sense that somebody is pretty fucked. The Emperor. Give me one more card for what is the intention of Four of Swords. Yeah, I'm definitely sensing that you are dealing with someone who is quite not ready for a relationship right now, and they might be taking forever to come forward. Like, I can see that you're go and you are like all over the place for this person and doing things and etc. But you see what your person is feeling. They're trying to isolate themselves from the situation, so you might not hear from them. So right now you might be putting in effort, and if you wonder why they don't revert back, that's because they are pretty fucked up in their own mind. Okay, some of you, this person is having some issues that can be work issues or family, or some toxicity is happening in their life. They are going through a tough cycle. Okay, they might have ended a tough cycle with someone, or maybe they lost someone. Something very toxic and negative is happening in this person's life, and that's why they're just trying to take a step back. Okay, but they see a future with you. They also see that you are someone who is very stable and long term with the Ten of Cups, but right now this person is not very ready for relationship. Okay, Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, it's like they just want to work on their stability first before coming towards you. They see you in a very good light, but something that is happening in their personal life, they are trying to heal from a situation. I think they're leaving behind a situation. Some of you, you're dealing with someone who's leaving behind a marriage. They are going through a divorce or something like that, or maybe a very major loss that they have had recently, or some sort of career frustration which is not letting them come fully towards you in relationship. Five of Pentacles. They might be also having health issues. Maybe they had an accident recently and right now they are on bed rest, something like that. Okay, something major has happened in this person's life because of which they are not ready for a relationship with you presently, but you are manifesting it with them regardless. Let's see this person's next action towards my Leo, please. So for now, they don't seem ready, but see what it is. Strength card. Their next action could be to tame you and the situation according to them. They will be taking a move towards you. Okay, they will be coming in with an action, but for now you have to give them that space. Okay, right now they are very guarded and you might just reach out to them and they might not reciprocate, and you will be feeling sad about it. So take it slow. Basically, Ace of Pentacles. Again, you know, it's about a slow movement. Some of you, this is gonna happen, but it's gonna happen after a delay, so it will not happen as fast as you would want it to be. So you need to take it slow. What will be the outcome though? What will be the outcome? Yeah, Temperance. So I definitely sense that things will be working in your favor. Six of Wands. It's going to be a win-win situation for you. A little mix and match is required. I also sense this person is from a different culture, community background, and that becomes a major problem in your connection as well, because you know you both are so different. Their family is apprehensive, your family is apprehensive, something of that sort. You will have to give it some time, okay, and try to find the middle ground. Like, do not get at extremes. Maybe you are just trying to force them to do something and they will just then leave. Okay, don't do that. Try to find a middle ground with this person and see how things can progress. This person has feelings for you, but something is making them super defensive and you need to give them time. See the Tower card. So they are definitely going through a major loss in their life or career or finance, which they need to sort out before coming towards you. Right now they seem very shaken up. Basically, they're not ready for love. You have love, and I can see you have a lot of love. You are single right now, but you are doing well as well. It's not, you are not trying to manifest this connection from a space of lack, but it's like you are ready for a connection and that is why you are manifesting. But this person is going to take some time. Right now they're confused. This person might not give you commitment right away. They have feelings for you and you have to trust that things are going to work in your favor, and I see ultimately things will, but for now you will have to give this person some space. Okay, they will take this forward with you, no doubt about it, but some time is required. Okay, so give me a card for Leo, please. Chemistry. So you definitely share chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here, which is undeniable. True love. It's a true love. Okay, but you know, whenever it's a true love situation or whatever, you have to go through some hurdles as well. Passion. A lot of passion. Soulmate. So yeah, this is a soulmate, lot of passion here, everything is gonna happen, but right now there is a separation because this person is trying to pull themselves back because they don't feel they're ready for a connection. They will take some time. This person is going to make it happen with you regardless. Just need to trust the process. Okay, so don't lose hope, things will work, just need to have a little patience. So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.